Kirby in need of a full service and a clean, then this could be the video for you. Don't forget, every cues in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby and home and lifestyle products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hello Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. So we're jumping back into that G3. In the previous episode, we got it stripped down. We got all the parts ready to soak and clean. We'll start getting it re-greased and put back together. Let's jump straight into it. Right, so the parts are all clean. The Kirby bag is in the washing machine. That's got about another half an hour to go. So while that's doing that, we'll jump back in and start getting the rest of this Kirby serviced and back together.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you.
So with the bag, what we've done, we've changed the G3 one. So I've took away the G3 one, so you're removing this one as well. These were quite a weak point back on the G3. If any pins or anything went through them, you get little holes. Then Kirby upgraded to the to plastic. So this is a better design, and the G7 will give us a little bit more airflow. You can get G3 versions of the Centuria as well. You're better off, in my opinion, fitting a Centuria 2 one, because it roughly works the same sort of colour scheme, which isn't too, it only doesn't look too bad as I've done on the previous one. So to fit this now, it's pretty easy. Pop that through the bottom there, and then all you're going to do is hook that rubber section all the way over like so. Right, so she's all finished. We'll get it running in a second and try it out. The G7 millimeter I've got, it's got a bit of sun damage. I'm going to try and track down a Centuria 2 one. I just think it looks better. I did sand this, so it's got most of the marks out. Obviously got a few slits there, but there's no holes in it. As you look at the polishing it's come up great, and this is all by hand. None of this was done on a buffer. It was all done by hand with just auto salt and a rag. If you want to do it with a buffer, there will be a link in the description down below to the buffer that I use, and also there will be links down in the description below to the fine wire wool and the auto salt or mothers that I use to polish. See, the bag's been in the wash as well, so the bag come out superb. It didn't fade any of the Generation 3, which is fantastic. So it still all looks original. That G7 handle, and look at the side, we've got the G7 wheels on there. It would have been nice to get some Centuria 2 ones. I just think the colour scheme goes a lot better with the G3 if you use the Centuria 2 parts as opposed to using G7. Get this plugged in and give it a bit of a run. Don't forget, everything using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those Kirby and household products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so the Kirby G3, we finally got it refurbished. We did have to change the bumper. I managed to get a hold of an original G3 bumper, and I just got some red striping that you use on cars. So that worked fantastic. As for the wheels, those wheels had done a lot of miles and done a lot of wheel spinning by the looks of it. The discoloration, there was no way I was going to get rid of that. I could have tried to use the UV lighting that people do with the chemicals and that and see if that worked. I'll check that out in a follow-up video and see if that does actually do any different to these. As for the bumper, that will be going in the bin. Front wheels, the front wheels are fine considering how old that Kirby was. The hubcap had a little bit of a scratch on the one, but other than that, they were great. I didn't want to leave those because I thought they would look odd. I'm going to try and get some Centuria 2 wheels. The colour scheme of the Centuria 2 works a lot better with the G3. And the mini emptier, if I can upgrade it to a Centuria 2 one, that'd be great, but the G7 one will have to do me for now. But I think it turned out really well. Comment down below what you think of the G3, what's your favourite Kirby model, and if there's any Kirbys you'd like me to look at refurbishing in the future. So long time, thank you all for watching, happy cleaning, and I'll catch you in the next one.